So let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like your brand is just getting lost in all the noise online? Like you're doing everything right. You're posting, you're creating, you're showing up, but it's like no one's really seeing you. Yeah, I get it. The digital space is loud. But today, I want to show you exactly how to stand out in a way that actually makes people stop, notice, and remember you. Let's get into it. Did you know the average person sees close to 10,000 brand messages per day? That's wild, right? So if we are not intentional, if we are not clear and different, we just become part of the background noise. But here's the good news. Standing out doesn't mean you need to shout louder. It just means you need to be realer, clearer, and smarter about how you show up. The first thing, be clear. You've got about 5 seconds to tell someone who you are and what you're about. So don't waste time being fancy or trying to impress. Let your message be simple. Here's the problem I solve, here's who I help, and here's why it matters. You don't need big words, you need clarity. When people understand you quickly, they trust you faster. The second thing, please don't hide behind a logo. People connect with people. In fact, brands that show the real human side, the behind the scenes, the team, the honest moments, are performing way better on social media. So talk to your audience like they are sitting right here with you. Share your story, your process, your personality. That's what builds connection. Now let's talk about niche. Trying to speak to everyone actually makes you connect with no one. The narrower your focus, the stronger your brand. Let's say you run a skincare brand. Instead of saying, I sell skincare products, try, I help women with sensitive skin find gentle, fragrance-free solution that actually work. See the difference? That kind of clarity helps the right people say, this brand is for me. Specific makes you memorable. Next is visuals. You don't need to be a graphic designer, but your brand should have a look and feel that stays the same across everything. Same colors, same fonts, same vibe. This creates recognition. People start seeing something and thinking, oh, that's her brand. Consistency builds trust, and trust is everything. And finally, give value before you sell. Teach something, share a tip, inspire someone, help them out before you ask them to buy anything. Because when you give value first, people come back. They remember you, they trust you. And when the time comes for them to spend money, guess who they'll think of? You. So the truth is, it's noisy out there, but I promise, when you show up with purpose, simplicity, and authenticity, people will notice. So, which of these are you going to start working on this week? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next one.